When it comes to choosing a compact sedan for your daily driving needs, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra stands out as a pragmatic choice. This Korean compact sedan combines competitive fuel economy, an abundance of standard safety technology, and a touch of style that sets it apart from the crowd. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what makes the 2024 Hyundai Elantra an appealing option for drivers in search of practicality and flair. A stylish exterior. One of the first things that catch your eye with the 2024 Hyundai Elantra is its striking exterior design. The Elantra boasts a modern and eye-catching appearance, setting it apart from its competitors. Its sleek lines, bold grille, and distinctive LED lighting elements create a sense of sophistication that's sure to turn heads on the road. Whether you're heading to the office or going on a weekend adventure, the Elantra's stylish exterior will make a statement. Diverse model lineup. Hyundai has taken a versatile approach to the Elantra's lineup, offering a wide range of options to suit different preferences and needs. Under the hood, you'll find various combinations of four-cylinder engines, turbochargers, electric motors, dual-clutch transmissions, and CVTs, resulting in 6 different trim levels to choose from. Noteworthy changes for 2024. The 2024 model year brings some notable changes to the Hyundai Elantra. The SEL trims equipped with the convenience package now feature a standard 10.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 10.3-inch infotainment display. If you're considering the 2024 Hyundai Elantra, the mid-range SEL model strikes an excellent balance between price and features, starting at $22,065. Choosing the SEL over the base SE model not only adds features like a hands-free trunk release and Sirius XM, but also opens up opportunities for worthwhile upgrades. Forgetting about Hyundai Elantra 2024 and with its N-Line model more information, you can also watch full of this video. Engine and performance. Under the hood of the SE and SEL models, you'll find a standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a modest 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking a more spirited driving experience, the hybrid models feature a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, resulting in slightly less horsepower at 139, but a substantial increase in torque at 195 pound-feet. Impressive fuel economy. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra is commendable when it comes to fuel efficiency. The base 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine achieves an estimated 33 mpg in the city and 42 mpg on the highway, making it a practical choice for daily commuting. However, the real fuel economy champion in the Elantra lineup is the hybrid model, boasting an impressive 53 mpg in the city and 56 mpg on the highway. While these estimates are strong, it's essential to consider real-world results. Comfortable interior. Step inside the 2024 Hyundai Elantra, and you'll find a cabin that matches its futuristic exterior. The dashboard and center console wrap around the driver, creating an engaging and driver-centric cockpit. A notable design feature is the LED strip that spans the dashboard, adding a touch of modernity. Passenger space, especially in the rear seat, is generous, making the Elantra competitive with roomier rivals like the Nissan Sentra and Volkswagen Jetta. While the interior exudes a sense of luxury in photos, it's worth noting that there are still hard plastics, which is expected in this price class. Safety and driver assistance features. Safety is a top priority for Hyundai, and the 2024 Elantra reflects this commitment with a range of standard driver assistance features. These include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with lane centering feature. To further assess safety, you can refer to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS websites for crash test results. The Elantra's comprehensive safety package provides peace of mind for both daily commutes and longer journeys. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra is a well-rounded and practical choice for those seeking a compact sedan with style, safety, and versatility. Its diverse model lineup caters to a wide range of preferences, from fuel-conscious drivers to those who crave a sportier driving experience. With Hyundai's impressive warranty coverage and a host of standard features, the Elantra is poised to make its mark in the competitive compact sedan segment. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventure seeker, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra offers a compelling package that's worth considering. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.